We hope you enjoyed last week's video about using whitener to create a nice bright white buttercream. Today we are going to be talking about bold colours and how we achieve really nice strong colours. It doesn't matter what sort of gel colours, what brand you use. We've got a couple of different ones here. You can also use the little more like paste pots.
Ones, yeah.
They all do the same thing. These are quite easy. We like these because they're quite easy to use. As Michelle's going to show you in a minute, she's going to talk to you now about how we, in this instance, are going to make brown.
Yeah, so this is some that we've had in the fridge already. You can see how lovely and dark that is. But it only sort of develops really once you put it in the fridge. So that can be red, navy blue. What other colours do you? Black,
red,
black is a good one.
And actually what I would say is if you are making black, I'd recommend you kind of make a brown first. It's kind of easier to make brown than it is black. You tend to need to use a lot of the stronger colour like black if you're making it straight. Whereas if you make it to this sort of browny colour, then you add your black, it's much easier.
Yeah, so as you can see, I have put quite a lot in actually because it came out. But it's not really gone as dark as what I want it to, so we will wrap this up in cling film and put it in the fridge and let it develop overnight. And then once you've let it develop overnight, it does come out to a really lovely rich brown colour. With red as well, I mean that takes a lot more developing, I think, doesn't it? So we've got some red there.
Yeah, I mean this is a lovely, lovely bright red.
Yeah.
And again, this has been achieved because we've made it in advance and we've popped it in the fridge. But the same thing applies with the red as the black, isn't it?
Yes.
Really, it's better if you can. It's much easier to make a bright pink. For some reason, you only need a tiny amount of the pink colour, and you'll get quite a dark cerise pink. And you can add different shades, whether you want a more of a raspberry pink or a cerise pink or even like a burgundy pink. If you then add your red to that, you will get different tones of red, but they will be much easier to get to that red. Otherwise, if you just add red to plain coloured buttercream, I mean, you need loads, don't you?
So there we go. Have a little try.
So just remember to make all your dark colours in advance, pop them in the fridge and have fun experimenting with your colours really.
Yeah.
Next week we're going to show you how to two-tone, aren't we? We're doing a bit of two-tone colouring. So make sure you watch next week and always subscribe to our channel.